Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to remove background noise in video CapCut using your Android. So first you just have to go or launch your CapCut application, and then let's just say you wanted to edit a video, but this time you want to remove the noise or the music that is included in the video. So what you're going to do here is you just have to go to CapCut and don't go to edit. Now you have to click this new project right here and then import that video that you want to edit or you want to remove the noise or the audio. So this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is just simply tap the video and you have to go to this section below. You have to scroll or swipe till you see this extract audio right here. Okay, so once you tap this extract audio, you will see that the audio is now separated from the video and you can now edit your audio here. Okay, so if I tap this audio, whatever I edit here, it will not affect the video. Let's just say if you want to reduce the noise, if you want to reduce the volume, if you want to add some effects on your audio, voice effects or other effects, and then you can do that without affecting your video. Okay, so that's how pretty it is and easy it is to remove background noise in video here in CapCut. Also, if you just want to simply delete the audio, you can see the option here or the trash bin icon, and all you have to do is to tap that one. So as you can see, if you want to reduce the volume, you can tap volume and reduce the volume right here. If you want to reduce the noise, then you can tap this reduce noise and toggle this one on and then tap this check. But I cannot do that because I have already reduced my volume. So in case that your volume is high and if you want to reduce the noise, then all you have to do is to tap reduce noise and then toggle this one on and tap check. Okay, so actually you can just simply edit everything here separately from your video. And that's it. That's how easy it is to remove background noise in video CapCut using your Android. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.